Hi my friends! Today I want to show you how to make the paper flower. Let's go! We need 8 square sheets of paper, a double-sided tape or glue. Fold in half, unfold. Rotate and repeat this step. Turn over. Fold the bottom corner to the top. Unfold. Rotate and repeat this step. Fold the sheet as I'm showing. Fold the bottom edge to the center. Unfold and fold it inside. Turn over. Fold the bottom edge to the center. Unfold, open and flatten. The module is completed. Fold 8 modules. Connect them together with using glue or tape. The flower is completed. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye!